Scorching summer heat takes a toll on restaurant workers. Is it time for a change? This summer's record-breaking heat wave has been making headlines, but for those working in sweltering restaurant kitchens, it's more than just a news story. It's a harsh reality they face every day. Chefs and servers in Dublin City are feeling the heat, and it's not just the food that's hot. The usually warm summer months have turned into a never-ending battle against the heat. With temperatures soaring to unprecedented heights, restaurant workers are struggling to keep up, and the lack of air conditioning in many kitchens is making it even harder. It's like working in a sauna, says Lucas, a server at Pit Bros in Dublin city centre. If we're busy, it's a problem, but when you're running around, you just don't notice it. But here's where it gets controversial. Many restaurants rely on fans rather than air conditioning, which can make the heat almost unbearable. I'll personally ask the owner for AC, says Lucas. I said it was better to have 3 weeks of AC than nothing. It's a sentiment echoed by many of his colleagues who are desperate for some relief from the heat. The Met Aaron has described the weather as just below the heatwave threshold. But for those working in kitchens, it feels like a full-blown heatwave. At Forno 500, an Italian restaurant with a super hot pizza oven, the temperature inside the kitchen can reach a scorching 30 degrees. You are inside like a cavern, but for us, it's normal, says Chilean chef Manuel Cabeza. But is it really normal? Should restaurant workers have to endure such extreme temperatures just to do their job? It's a question that's sparking debate, and one that needs to be addressed. As the heatwave continues to grip the city, it's time for restaurants to rethink their approach to keeping their staff cool. At Kathmandu Kitchen, server Raj says the heatwave is putting a double pressure on the staff. The kitchen is already hot from the tandoori ovens, stoves, and machines, but now the airflow is not helping to cool it down. The wind itself is hot, he says. It doesn't help. To counteract the heat, they're using a mixture of fans and air conditioning, and opening the doors to let fresh air in. But even with these measures in place, the heat is still taking a toll. Raj says most of his colleagues are from Nepal, and for them, this weather is actually quite mild. However, they're still taking extra steps to stay cool, drinking homemade iced fruit juices and lots of water. So what's the solution? Is it time for restaurants to invest in better cooling systems? Or is there another way to keep staff cool? One thing's for sure, something needs to change. As the heat wave continues to grip the city, it's time for restaurants to take action and prioritize the well-being of their staff. We want to hear from you. Do you think restaurants should do more to keep their staff cool during heat waves? Share your thoughts in the comments below.